Albert Einstein.
Ooh, an important scientist. Please go ahead.
Hi, I'm Albert Einstein. I'm here to tell you about myself. I was born March 14th, 1879 in Germany. I was born to be a thinker. What's that?
A thinker.
Oh. When I was about 10 years old, I started to teach myself. School didn't help me. I like to take long hikes up mountains. There I could relax and think. I also like to play the violin. When I got into high school, I hated it. We had to march from class to class, the teachers were strict, and worst of all, you weren't allowed to ask questions. That year, I got expelled for asking too many questions. Then I moved to Italy. It was so different from Germany. You were allowed to ask questions, the people were friendly, and it was a really pretty country. I finished college in 1900 and was ready to become a physics teacher, though I couldn't find a job in teaching. I got a job at the Swiss patent office. Then I married a girl named Mileva. We had 2 children named Hans Albert and Edward. Living in Switzerland and working at the patent office was a great time. I got paid money, which allowed me to have a lot of time to think. Many of the world's greatest scientific achievements, such as the electronics, the atomic bomb, and space travel, were all suggested by me at the patent office. Then Mileva and I got divorced, and I moved to Berlin, Germany, just to think for a lot of money. Then later, I married a girl named Elsa who took care of me. I moved from Germany to America because the Nazis hated 3 things: Jews, intellectuals, and peacemakers. I was all 3. I went to America because the Nazis were trying to put me in jail. In America, I became a professor of mathematics at the Institute of Advanced Studies in Princeton, New Jersey. Then, just 3 years later, Elsa passed away. Then I died in 1955. Some of my most important achievements were the theory of relativity, proving that light bends, the photoelectrical effect, and the equation E equals mc squared. My theories led to inventions such as the television and the atomic bomb. Any questions? William. 2 things. One, what happened to your voice after possible?
Okay, he's trying to have a German accent.
Well, and the second one is, how did he die? Yeah, of old age. But I guess, I thought it
A heart attack when somebody gets old.
Look at his hair.
No, not like that.
I'm not sure. I think it was old age. Freya. What happened to his hair? Well, he didn't take care of himself, so, he had ratty clothes and stuff, so his hair got all messed up, and because he didn't brush it. William.
So, you helped invent the atomic bomb?
Yeah, the atomic bomb. There was a war going on. So,
Yeah.
So
you helped invent
because it was like Germany versus
America.
Yeah, Germany versus someone, and
Spanish.
he hated war, so
Japan.
So
Let him answer.
In Germany.
and so he wanted to get the atomic bomb before the Germans did.
That's right.
Because if they used, it would be worse if they used it.
That's right.
They would use it on America?
Because they would use it on anybody. They would use it on anybody.
What's the atomic bomb? The atomic bomb is 2 atoms. Something happens to them. Like you put 2 atoms together, then it releases a lot of energy. Like a lot of energy. That's what the atom bomb is.
Yeah.
That's right.
The atom, but atomic.
So if you made it up, would you just have how would it explode? Well, if you just made it and
They were in airplanes and then they dropped it.
Okay,
They dropped one atomic bomb. It was that big.
Those are just my sister stuff, so I'd use those numbers.
We can take one more question. question, because we have a couple more people, and then we have to get back. One more question.
Did he help invent like space shuttles?